Do you know that you can crochet this beautiful headband in less than 30 minutes? Yes, you heard that right, less than 30 minutes. And we are going to need some yarn. Here I have 2 colors, and if you prefer only 1 color, that's your choice. And then you'll need beads and a needle, a 3.5 mm hook, and I need scissors also. And then let's get started. Start by chaining 3. So we'll have slip knot, and then 1, 2, 3, and into the first chain, and make a single crochet like that. And then we chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into this little ring here. Okay, make 2 more double crochet, chain 2, and in the same space again 3 more double crochets, 2, and then 3, and yeah, you turn, and you will have 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, 3, and our last slip stitch in the chain space here, and then you chain 3 again, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochets. The chain 3 counts as the first double crochet here, and then you turn again, make 3 slip stitches, 1, 2, and into the chain space, chain 3, and repeat again, 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same space here. So like this, and again slip stitches into the next stitch, slip stitch, and into the chain space, you chain 3, and in the chain space you make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 double crochets. And this is what we are going to repeat. And if you are using this kind of yarn like I'm using here, it's weight 3 yarn, so I have 18 fans here. Okay, count these fans, I have 18 here. And if you're using maybe a different kind of yarn, a smaller or a bigger one, then use your measurement here. This measures about 7 inches, as you can see. So if you're using a different type of yarn, so take the measurement, and we repeat what we just did. And I will make 18 fans here. After 18 fans, or until you get to your measurement, I will show you what we need to do next. Okay, and if you want to make this with a matching dress, then I have a dress here. See, it's beautiful, and I will leave the link in the description box, so please check that. Okay, so here I have 18 fans, and then I cut your yarn not too short. Okay, after you cut your yarn, and then you make the slip stitch again until you get to the chain space, and into the chain space, and then into the other end here. Make sure it's straight like that, and take this loop, take this loop and chain one here, and make 2 more single crochets in the ring here. Okay, 1, 2, and then you secure like that. Okay, see, and then you turn this like that. So use your needle. Okay, weave in the ends. And cut. So to crochet the flower again, we are going to chain 3 again. So here you chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert your hook into the first chain and make a single crochet and chain 3, and yarn over into the ring here, make 3 double crochets and then chain 3 and slip stitch into this ring again. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. And then you chain 3 again and make 3 double crochets into this ring. These are our petals, and then you chain 3 again, slip stitch into this ring. Here I have 5 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here I already have 2, so make 3 more, chain 3 and 3 double crochets, chain 3, slip stitch into this ring and chain 3 and finish your 5 petals, or if you want more you can add more also. So here I have 5 petals, and after you slip stitch into the last, then you chain 3, 1, 2, 3 behind the petal and into the slip stitch space here into the ring, pull your yarn and make a single crochet, you chain 3, 2, 3 behind the petal again, and just like that all around. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and like that, 1, 2, 3. If you like the video, please hit the like button for me, and your last slip stitch into the chain space here, to the first chain space, see? And slip stitch, and then you chain 3 and make 5 double crochet in this chain space here. Or if you like a bigger flower, then you can add 6 double crochets also. So I have 5 and then chain 3, slip stitch into the chain space again, and then you slip stitch into the next chain space and chain 3 and make 5 double crochet in the chain space. Four, 5, chain 3, slip stitch, and slip stitch into the next space, and you can continue until you are here. Okay, so here I made my 5 petals. So cut your yarn long enough because we are going to use this same yarn to sew a flower into the headband. Okay, so at least this long, and then insert into the space again and pull through like that. This is the back of our flower. So if you like more flowers, you can make 2 or 3. Here I have 2, so I will make 2 here also, and then I will show you how to sew this. So insert your yarn into your needle, so I will sew my flower right here. So insert your needle there, So what do you think of my video? Please let me know by writing in the comments below. And then you can go ahead and weave in your ends, so zigzag way, just like that. If you like more flowers, add more. Okay, so my last one, I'll make a knot here and cut the yarn, and here you are. So thank you so much.